This is the single arm dead stop dumbbell row exercise. So if you've done a single arm dumbbell row before, this is essentially the same thing, except instead of pulling the dumbbell from a floating position, we are going to be bringing it all the way down to the ground in between each rep, thus pulling it from a dead stop position, fully rested on the floor. So you'll need either a bench, box, or other sturdy object you can press against. Should be at a spot where when you come down into your row position, so one arm braced on the box, same side leg is forward, so this is working arm on the same side as the back leg, so we have room for the dumbbell to move. Should be at a height where I can reach down and have the dumbbell rest comfortably on the ground. If your object is too high, you can always place the dumbbell on a step or some other thing to elevate it, like a plate, so that it's a little bit higher from the actual ground itself. So I'm going to place my dumbbell on the ground next to the box, come down into my rowing position, front arm braced, front leg on the same side, working arm reaching down towards that weight. From here, dumbbell is at a full rest on the ground. I'm going to grip it, and from that full rest position, row it up and back towards my hip and back down, fully rested on the floor. So row, squeeze that shoulder blade back, full rest on the ground. Row, squeeze the shoulder blade back, full rest on the ground. Same thing as a regular row. We're not bringing the dumbbell up to the shoulder. It's going to come up and back towards the waist, and we're squeezing that shoulder blade back, not just pulling the elbow. You'll complete all the assigned reps on one side, rest for 30 to 60 seconds, and then switch over to that other side. Braced hand forward, working arm down, pull that dumbbell up and back towards the waist, full stop on the floor. If you have a weaker side, do that side first, and then match reps and weight on the stronger side.